Well, hello and welcome to Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. In this episode, I'm working on a Proto 2000 locomotive in the Rock Island road name. So check it out. The train you see here is a Proto 2000 series. It's a GP7 locomotive, my newest addition to my collection. It's a limited edition. The road name is a Rock Island. Let's see what it actually looks like. Like it's got some extra parts. Limited warranty, but it's probably not good anymore. It's highly detailed. I believe this is a blank, so the locomotive could run on DC. There's a lifelike, one of the high-end ones. Doesn't even look like it's been used. Does have a light. One there. Another one here. Have to look it over and make sure there's no cracked gears. And then test it on the track. The engine does work. I don't know if you can see it, but it would speed up and slow down. Speeds up. It's kind of jerky. If you look right here at the flywheel. Gonna clean it with isopropyl alcohol because there's grease all over the chassis. Fuel tank is just held on by double sticking tape. This peels off. Take the wheel cover off. I'm just gonna put a little screwdriver in here because I can't get it underneath that. Then it's gonna give it a little twist. It pops off. The wheels should come right up. I cleaned all the wheels using a Dremel and a plastic bristle disc, 120 grit. Once all the wheels were cleaned, I lubricated the gears and reinstalled it back into the truck. Once you remove the couplers, the chassis should then slip nicely into the shell. Then you reattach the couplers. Securing the shell with the two screws that were provided. Then you just pop the fuel tank back on. I had a little goop to secure it in place. I also glued on the sun visors to the cab. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.